Hi folks, I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to this channel, and now we are discussing about the Wishnet broadband services sale portal. So I already uploaded a video regarding the how to access the Wishnet broadband self-care portal. I will give the link in this description boxes. And now we are discussing about how to active the Wishnet broadband services OTT platforms. Okay, so in the Chrome section, just we need to write the wishnet.in/login. Okay, after that, this type of page will come: self-care, customer ID and password. You have to just write your customer ID, then give the password. After putting the your customer ID and password, you have to sign this page. Okay, then sign in, and a new page will come very soon. Okay, so now let's see. There are self-care info, recharge and plan, and wish OTT. uh, in this particular wish OTT options, if you wanted to active your OTT services, you just go to this section. Okay, the wish OTT. Okay, okay. So let's see. There are available subscriptions are there. Wish TV, must all are the monthly packs. Eros now and Epicon. Eros now is basically the movies, crickets, all things are there. Epicon same as it is. At the time is a Bengali OTT platform. There are lots of Bengali films are there. Web series, short film are there. Hangama Play, this is for the only music play. Hangama and Gana Plus is also a music play OTT. ALT Balaji is as movies, cricket, short films like that. Hoichoi is the best platform in this Bengali OTT platform. So if you wanted to active the Hoichoi, then you can. And there are Discovery Plus, Shimero, and AAO next. So I want to subscribe Hoichoi. So then, if you wanted to subscribe any of this, then you just click on the Hoichoi, then click the subscribe button. After that, in your registered mobile number, you will get the SMS. Okay, you will get the SMS like download Hoichoi and use your number as your login ID to enjoy the monthly pack Team Wishnet. You will receive a SMS like that. So we have the two more OTTs. So I just wanted to watch Discovery Plus. Okay, then click on the Discovery Plus, then click on the subscribe button. Your OTT subscription successful is done. Then wanted to subscribe at the times. Okay, this is this 3 years 3 year uh, favorite all of these things. So I just click on the at the times and then click the subscription. Okay, so you just you will get the three subscriptions from the all subscriptions OTT. So I choose the Hoichoi, Discovery Plus and Under Times. Okay, so this is an easy process to active your OTT subscription from the Wishnet Self Care portal. So okay, so if you wanted to subscribe any of these three platform in the total, so you just click on this particular options and then subscribe. So this is the all about the video, and thanks for watching this video. If you wanted to share your share our video, you just click on the share button, then share to your friends, your relatives, your colleagues as you can. And thanks for watching this video. Just put a like to motivate me, and put your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you. So hope the next video will come very soon. Thanks.